Good morning, this is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce. And today on Faces of Commerce, we're talking with Tim at Comfort Science Solutions. Hi, Tim.
Hey.
Tell me a little bit about what is Comfort Science Solutions.
Well, I am Tim DeStasio, and I am the founder and owner of Comfort Science Solutions, and we are a high-performance heating and air conditioning contractor. Well, what is high-performance heating and air conditioning? It means that we actually test the performance of your heating and air conditioning system and see how it interacts with the rest of your house. And the result is safety, health, comfort, and efficiency. And that's our process, taking it in that order: safety, health, comfort, and efficiency. A lot of times, HVAC contractors may focus just on the efficiency. And when we do that, sometimes we end up making decisions that aren't really science-based. They're based on what a really cool little marketing blurb says on a box. And so our process uses science. And so if you have a comfort problem in your house, maybe you've got high humidity here at the coast, maybe you've got a room-to-room comfort problem, maybe your room above the garage is really uncomfortable, we can test the house, the building envelope. We use things like the blower door to test how leaky your house is. We can also test your ducts and see how effective they are. We use thermal imaging, and all that gives us data so that when we diagnose your comfort problem, we get it right the first time instead of just throwing darts at the wall and guessing at problems. So my process uses a lot of instrumentation. I've got 25 years of training in the HVAC industry. And so when we apply all that together, again, the result is safety, health, comfort, and efficiency. Let's say you've got a newer air conditioning unit and you were sold on a certain efficiency standard that air conditioning unit should perform at. Well, how do you know that that system is actually getting that efficiency? Well, we can test that, and we can let you know whether you're getting the full potential out of not only your air conditioning, your heating system, but also how it interacts with the rest of your house.
Tell me how you got into this business.
I have got 25 years experience. I actually started in the industrial and commercial sector. So I was working on big hospitals, universities, and those systems. But that technology eventually trickles down to residential. And back in 2011, I started my first business in Greensboro, North Carolina. So I'm a North Carolina native. And we focused not only on those commercial systems, but also on residential systems. And we built such a great reputation that I was able to sell my business. And that's what enabled me to move down here to the beautiful North Carolina coast.
And you're wanting to train others, right?
Yes. So the other part of my business is I offer training services to local HVAC professionals, contractors and technicians, anyone who's willing to learn about our process, because that's how I learned it. People were generous enough to share their knowledge with me. I invested my own time and money and other resources to get that education, that training, and that instrumentation, and now I'm willing to share that with any HVAC professional in the area that's willing to learn. And so, as the saying goes, a rising tide floats all boats. My object here is not to be competition to the local HVAC contractors, but rather be a resource that we can just provide in general better service to the residents here in Brunswick and New Hanover County.
Where did they get up with you?
My website is www.comfortsciencesolutions.com, and my phone number is 910-294-6680.
We appreciate you being on Faces of Commerce today, and if you are in the market to make sure that you have safety,
health, comfort, and efficiency
in your home, give Tim a call. Thanks.
You.